Hello everyone. So today I'm here to talk about the second Mind and Mood Kit. I already did a video on the first one. If you haven't seen that, let me know and I can get that for you. I love these little kits because they give me, sometimes they send me oils that I absolutely love, that I use all the time, but sometimes they send me ones that I haven't yet tried, which are fun because then, maybe I wasn't sure how to use it, or that's why I never ordered it, but now I have the opportunity to give it a try and see if I like it. So again, this is the second Mind and Mood Kit. And in this kit, there is, first we're going to talk about Adaptive, which I've talked about before. And this is seriously one of my favorites when it comes to like calming, relaxing. When you're going into a situation where maybe you're nervous or you're feeling more anxious, this would be a great one to use. This one in balance, I like to interchange and use. But I also use this one to help me sleep, to help me calm down at night. I'll put it in my bath with some bath salts, or rub it on the bottoms of my feet, on the inside of my wrists. I just love it. It's not right invigorating. It's just kind of really like it makes you drop your shoulders when you breathe it. So this is one that you can use. You can put it in your hands, take some nice deep breaths. Great way to calm down, like I said, if you're overwhelmed or you have so much going on, or maybe you're going into some type of stressful situation, this would be good to help. Great one to use on kids as well. Just make sure that you use some type of fractionated coconut oil or some type of oil with it. Sometimes I'll even just put it in lotion, just kind of dilutes it a little bit, especially if people have sensitive skin. So yeah, so this is a really great one. Stressful day, end of your day, you just want to calm down. This would be a good one to use. This might be a good option to use instead of drinking alcohol. Help save those hormones, right? All right, and so the next one is Wild Orange, another one of my favorites. If you've seen any of my posts or anything, this is one I love to diffuse with peppermint in the morning to give me energy, to just stimulate my brain. Every single morning I use this one in peppermint, rub it on my palms before I leave for work. It's one of the top selling oils from doTERRA because it's energizing. It's really good. You can diffuse it however you want to use it. You can also use it as a cleaner. I've even sometimes put this in my water, but make sure if you put it in a water bottle, it is aluminum. It's not plastic, or you can put it in glass as well. But yeah, you can use it as a cleaner, put it in a spray bottle, spray it. That would smell really good and also clean everything. So, but mostly this one is just really good for energizing. I've also heard that some people that are experiencing anxiety, that the citrus oils are really good for having that calming effect. I've actually given this to one of my friends. She was just feeling overwhelmed and feeling like it was just too much in her chest, whatever, and I had her breathe this, and she said that helped. So that might be another one, which you would think, oh, it's stimulating, energizing, but it also can be calming for things like that. So if you're feeling anxious. All right, so then we have Lavender, and I love the little roller bottles. A lot of these come in roller bottles, so you can check that out on the website. I love them because they're just, quick and easy. This is fine, but if you have sensitive skin, like I said, sometimes you might want to use some type of, they have fractionated coconut oil. You could just use regular coconut oil, or you can put it in lotion. That would be a great option as well. But the roller bottles are great because you can roll them on your palms, on your wrists, on the back of your neck. You can roll them on the bottoms of your feet or around your ankles. Really good to do. And Lavender is another one. So if you think about what this is, it's Mind and Mood Kit. So it's like stimulating and making you have be able to function, have good brain energy, but also keep you calm and relaxed at the same time. So that's what Lavender can do. You can put it to your temples, like I said, your wrists, anything. It just has like a calming effect. This is another great one to use for sleep. For some people it may be stimulating, so you just have to give it a try. My husband does use Lavender and he loves it. And then you would just rub it on the inside of, this is what I like to do, inside of my ankles, maybe on the bottoms of my feet and on the inside of my wrists, and then smell that. You can also put it on your chest. Like, there's so many different ways that you can use it. You just have to find what works for you. So yeah, this is good for calming, relaxing, sleep, all the things. So this is a new one that I have not tried. This is Blue Spruce. You can see it. So I'm anxious to try this, and so I'm going to open it and smell it for the first time right now. I mean, not blue spruce, it's black spruce. Sorry, my bad. This one is, it smells really good. Kind of got like a woodsiness, obviously spruce, but it's almost like energizing as well too. And it says here to combine this with the lavender touch and apply to the back of your neck for a soothing effect and refreshing aroma at the end of the day. That would be an option. You could blend it with the wild orange and diffuse for a refreshing start of your day. So let's say this morning I used bergamot and peppermint. Maybe tomorrow or the next day or one of these days I'm going to try the black spruce and the wild orange together. See what that does for my energy. Just a little bit more information about the black spruce. It is high in what's called boryl acetate, and it's a chemical component that promotes relaxation and calmness. So a great way to start your day off because it's soothing. You could put it on the back of your neck. You could put it, it says you can also use it for exercise, like after strenuous exercise or when your body's in need of topical support. You can massage it in, creating, relaxing muscles. Diffuse black spruce oil or apply to the back of the neck throughout the day to create feelings of harmony and balance. And this is often used in aromatherapy to help maintain feelings of clear airways and easy breathing. So, and that makes sense. When you smell it, it's a good one. So, yeah, I really like this. Now I'm excited to try. So, that's why I said love these kits, because sometimes they send me ones that I've not tried before, and now definitely going to give this one a try. So we have all those, and then the bath salts, which is amazing. This obviously isn't going to go very far because I'd probably use almost all of this in my bath. I use Epsom salts. But the good thing is when you take a bath, any of these oils here, you could drop in your bath. So this is, again, the adaptive I use at night. The black spruce you could use in your bath at night whenever you want to just create some calm, some relaxing, maybe, release some of the muscle tension stuff that's going on in your body. So, yeah, that is all that's in that kit. Love the kit. If you have more questions about any of the oils or any oils at all, or how you can get this one yourself, reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook, anywhere. I would love to help you. I use these so much. I love these so much, and I would love to help you use them as well.